Thank you for choosing Automation Products Group's PG5 General Purpose Digital Pressure Gauge for your pressure monitoring needs. The PG5 is the foundation to our PG series of gauges. With tare, peak hold, and a whole list of other functions, the PG5 is a tough and versatile gauge. Although it is built to withstand the rigors of your application, the PG5 is not IP67 certified, and so must be protected from potentially damaging or corrosive environmental materials. If your PG5 is installed in an environment where dust or other airborne particles are common, you may notice that the power button of the gauge will become increasingly difficult to engage. This problem is caused by buildup of debris on the gauge's power button contacts. Don't get frustrated. This problem is easily fixed with a screwdriver, Q-tip, and cleaning liquid such as alcohol. Before beginning this procedure, disconnect the battery and make sure that you are properly grounded to protect against damage from electrostatic discharge. To begin, remove the 3 screws securing the back of the gauge housing and remove the back housing. The circuit board is now exposed. Carefully remove the 2 screws securing the circuit board to the front housing. Do not lose the battery wire clamp. Turn over the gauge and remove the power button if it is stuck to the board. Underneath, you will find the power button contact pads on the center of the board just above the LCD. Using a Q-tip dipped in alcohol or another powerful cleaner, gently scrub the pads and surrounding area with the Q-tip. Repeat until no more residue can be removed from the pads. Ensure the circuit board is dry before reassembling the gauge. Replace the power button in the front housing. Carefully replace the board in the housing and install the 2 screws. When securing the battery wires to the wire clamp, be sure that the clamp does not pinch the wires. As you reassemble the gauge housing, be careful that the sensor and battery wires are not pinched between housing pieces or damaged by the screws during installation. Reinstall the battery and battery cover before installing the center housing screw. Once your gauge is reassembled, your power button should work like new. If debris buildup on your PG5 power button contacts is a recurring or ongoing problem, consider upgrading to the PG7. The PG7 has an IP67 rated housing built to withstand environmental conditions and is perfectly suited for dirty environments and outdoor applications. If you have any problems with this procedure or with your gauge, feel free to contact our application engineers. You can reach us at 877-373-5940 or online at www.apgsensors.com.